Hello, beautiful soul. So if you go to Intranet and write ALX Intranet, you will see this beautiful extension. Just click here and install it, and just pin it from here to see it right here. So if you open it from any place or website, you can see this default page. If you want to go to current project you have, you click here, it will take you to the current project you have. And if you want to see the dashboard, you can see it from here. There is, if you want the readme file on GitHub, you can also do that. The application is open source. If you want to contribute or see the code, how it's made, you can also contact this amazing developer who made the extension. Maybe thank him or just follow him. So there is a few buttons right here. You can see this one to go directly to the store and make sure like you give it a star, like rate a review star if you like extension. If you wanna write like feedback, you can also do it from here. There is also bug report or suggestion for future, you can do it from here. Also you can have this button to go directly to the GitHub if you want to check it. And there is this secret button here, we're gonna see it at the end of this video. This is amazing. Let's see it after we see the main feature of this extension. So if we go back to the project, let's say WebStack debugging. So this is the project. It's open. I have advanced task. So if I click in the extension, I can see this button here, unlock advanced task. If you click on it, it's gonna unlock the task for me. As you can see, it's unlocked right now. And then it's also gonna show me here the task, but because the checker is not gonna be available until like 20 hours, it's gonna show you checker will be released after 20 hours. So that's a good thing to know. In case the project was open, you will see checker. We're gonna see it next. Let's see first this init file. What is this? This init file is gonna copy command, Linux command that will make all this folder, all this file for you, give them permission if they are bash file and everything, and you just need to apply it. For example, I did copy it, right? If I go to this folder and I paste it, I can see it here. If I press enter, before I do that, let's do ls. You can see the folder is empty. There's nothing. So if I paste the command and then ls la, you can see you already there's you are inside the folder of the project and you have all the files there, so you can just open them and work on them. This is really helpful when project have a lot of files. What else in this beautiful extension? There is a task collapse where you can collapse this task from here. You're gonna see this button. If you click on it, it's gonna collapse. So it's gonna make you easy if you wanna navigate through a lot of tasks, or you can do it from here. So tasks that have stated done, you can do done, they're gonna collapse, or collapse only the one, fail or both of them. And I switch to simple shell project so we can see like checkers. Now you notice this project show me like checkers of all tasks. Now if I collapse this bot, I can see all the tasks are collapsed. It's kind of easy. If I want someone open, I can open it right there. If I want to collapse, like I said before, only fail, they're gonna be the one that done, it's gonna be open, or collapse only done. Other thing, or is the main purpose or the best thing in this extension, is this checker right here. You can see instead of like going to each task and then check your code and start new test, you can just do, I want to check 0, I want to check task 5, run. Now the checker is running this 2 and it will tell you the status of this 2 task. Okay, this one is okay, so it's green. If there is a problem in some task, it's gonna be red. Okay, this one is also okay. And you can also like select all the check, like you wanna do all the check, but there is a kind note here if you wanna read it. There is also, you can filter by done. You only want to recheck the one that done or that one that failed, or default state, you don't want to check anything. Okay, that's cool. Will make your life easy to check task. What else? Let's remove the collapse. Let's say I want to go to task 16. Normally you do. You just keep scrolling like this until you reach to task 16. And when you're working with a lot of tasks, this is a waste of time and exhausting to keep doing it over and over. Now there is a cool trick with this extension. All you have to do to go to task 16 is press shift and then in the keyboard, when there is numbers, press 1, then press 6, and you are same time pressing on shift. So I'm pressing shift right now. I press 1 and then I press 6 and boom, take you directly to that task. If you want to go back to task 0, just press 0. Boom, task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you got the trick. So when you are dealing with single number, you don't need to press shift, you can just press 0. But when there is 2 digits in number, for example task 10, you will press shift, then press 1, then press 0. Not like make sure you are pressing in shift when you're doing all this, and then boom. If it didn't work, just keep trying with it until it works. It should be fine. What else in this beautiful extension? Yeah, there is another thing cool, is the submit of quiz. It's kinda help you. I hope you don't use this in a bad way, but it's kinda make you like easy for you to deal with submitting the quiz when you have a lot of quiz and you need to scroll down. It helps you a lot. So if you notice, by default or normally the button is here. When you have like quiz that have 20 and you did something wrong, you don't know where it is, it take a lot of time. So like here you can answer the quiz and verify everything, make sure you put enough effort to answer the question, and then click quiz submit. This button gonna show you how much for like errors have same time as it was before, and when you scroll in, it keep going with you. Yeah, that's really cool. Now because my eyes are hurting me, I will go to another extension which is amazing and enable dark mode. Oh my god. Okay, much better. Now it's kind of boring to work in internet like training for 12 months. So let's add something to it that will make it alive. Now this is where this button come, this magical button. If you click on it, you can see user style, which allow you to control more the styling of this internet page, and make sure to like be from time to time check here, because there's gonna be more new thing coming. It's gonna be amazing. So for now there is a background. If you click on background, by default there is only this background, but I did add these two. Now this background, if you enable it, you have to select one after you enable it, and then refresh the page, and you can see how much beautiful now it look. The background for everything, it's gonna be on all the intranet, and there is more option to it. Let's close everything else. You can change the background, upload new one. If you refresh the page, you're gonna see the background change. There's also particles. For example, let's say sparks. You can change from per second. Sparks. Let's see. It's really cool. There's fireflies. Okay, now with the music, I can relax, enjoy the task. Also, there is this custom where you can inject CSS code to the intranet, so you can do whatever you want. Also, you can change particles. This is a JSON file. I'll show you example. I'm gonna upload this JSON file. Gonna give it like snow. You can see now it's now everywhere. Or you can inject some CSS file, for example blur. If you want to take some screenshots and don't wanna see other people see your private information, for example, you can just fresh page, you can see it's blur. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, that's all. So make sure if you like it, write some review and follow bio. Okay, see you next time. Good luck.